Hello everyone, in this video we'll see about sorting in data structure and the types of sorting. Now what is the definition of sorting? See, sorting is an operation of arranging and rearranging sets of data in some specific order. Means it's a method of arranging the elements in some specific given order. Now why sorting is done? The next question arises, why sorting is done? See, it is done to arrange the records of a table or list in some order. Means we are doing sorting to arrange the elements within the array or table or list in some given order. Now here I have taken some elements, here I have taken some numbers. So if I sort this number in increasing order, now it will look like this: 7, then 8, then 20, then 25, then 64. Increasing order means ascending order. Means we are sorting these elements in ascending order. Okay. Now you can also sort these elements in descending order also. Now see, in most of the sorting algorithm is ascending order is followed. Means increasing order is followed. Okay. Now you see, it's a theoretical concept. Now you see, if we are doing sorting with respect to computer vision, means we are doing sorting with respect to computer vision, then sorting algorithm comes. Then then sorting algorithm is followed. Now we'll see. Now we'll directly go to this sorting algorithm and means the types of sorting. Okay. If you are doing sorting with respect to computer vision, means then sorting algorithm comes in the main scenario. Okay. Now see. Now it is sorting is classified into two types. One is internal sorting, another is external sorting. Then see, now before going into the internal sorting, I'll directly go to the external sorting. Now what do you mean by external sorting? What's the definition of external sorting? Now the main definition, see, external sorting means taking two arrays, means we are taking two arrays. See, external sorting means we are taking two arrays and we are merging these two arrays. Means it's a quite simple definition. Means we are taking two arrays and we are merging those two arrays. For example, we have taken this array and we have taken this array and now we are merging it. You see, merging means here, see, for example, here 5, 8, 12, 15, and here 1, 2, 7, 6. Now we have taken two arrays. Now if we merge it, merging means sorting will be done already. See, merging will be done means while sorting means. Now first 1 will come, then 2 will come, then 5 will come, then 6 will come, then 7 will come, then 8, then 12, then 15. So merging means we are, for example, this is a common example of external sorting is mass sort. Means here there are two arrays is given. In unsorted order, we'll take the element and we'll mass those two arrays in sorted order. Okay. Means unsorted order, the two arrays will be given in unsorted order, and we'll take those two arrays and we'll sort them into one array. Okay. This is the example of external sorting, that is mass sort. That is merge sort. Okay. Now going into internal sorting. See internal sorting. Now first, what's the definition of internal sorting? Internal sorting it's a process that takes place entirely within the main memory of a computer. It's a process that takes place entirely within the main memory of a computer. Okay. See, internal sorting means is a process that takes place entirely within the main memory of a computer. What does it mean? It means what the operations are going on. It is going on in the main memory of a computer. Means while sorting, all the elements are stored. Means while sorting, all the elements are stored inside the main memory. While sorting, all the elements are stored inside the main memory. Okay. Now see, again internal sorting is divided into insertion sorting, selection sorting, and exchange sorting. And insertion sorting we will see insertion and shell. In selection we will see selection and heap. In exchange we will see bubble and quick. Okay. Now what do you mean by in internal? Why it is called insertion, selection, exchange? Means we'll insert the elements. For example, see, we'll insert the elements. Now then we'll select the elements. We'll select the element. That's why selections comes. The insertion, first insertion, then selection, then what? Exchange means swapping. Means we'll swap. means we'll swap the elements, we'll exchange the places, okay, for arranging the elements in an order, okay. This is why the internal sorting is again divided into insertion, selection, exchange. So we'll see this algorithm sorting, insertion, selection means shell, heap, bubble, quick. In the upcoming videos I'll take one example and I'll solve one by one, okay. So thanks for watching, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, okay. Thank you.